It's going to be great.
It's been a great day today, especially in the morning. Have you been up early in the mornings lately taking advantage of this?
Cool.
Yes.
Unfortunately, I haven't that often. I wish I had, because every morning I come in and see what the low was and think, wow, I should have set the alarm a little earlier this morning. It has been just wonderful. We always end up, though, borderline too warm in the afternoon when the air is dry like this. 84 degrees the high temperature today. That's all right. It's just a little bit above normal. It's nice in April, especially early April, when our normal highs are in the mid-70s, when we actually have some normal high temperatures. But we've been pretty consistently warm since March. Again, 84 right now. This is our evening planning forecast for this Thursday night. We're down to 78, 79 degrees or so at 8 o'clock, and then 10 p.m. down toward the middle 70s. Speaking of weather ahead, let's talk about this race. The BPMS 150 this weekend. Some of you are riding your bikes from Houston all the way to Austin. This is the Houston forecast for the beginning of the ride Saturday morning. It'll be, which is great to be on a bicycle, I would think, at 55 to 58 degrees. But now the winds are going to be a little problematic for you. They're going to be out of the north-northwest at about 10 to 20 miles per hour. So you're riding west toward Austin. That wind's going to be coming at you from the north and northwest from your right side, so veer a little bit to the right maybe to ride into it. All right, let's drive over here to Austin now, and this is where the race will end on Sunday. And for the end of the race on Sunday, we're thinking about 77 to 80 degrees Sunday afternoon in the Austin area with a northwest wind at only 5 to 10 miles per hour. So all in all, it's going to be pretty good weather this weekend. Just a bit windy on Saturday, especially early in the day. Okay, out there right now, we're in the low and mid 80s in the Hill Country metro area, also low to mid 80s, and in our eastern counties, mainly low 80s currently. Austin's officially partly cloudy and 84. It's also 84 degrees out at the airport. Winds are 7 to 12 miles per hour. Sunset tonight is at 8:01. Mold count was high again today, and the pollen count, pecan, medium, grass up into the medium category at 105. And we had a few other sorted trees showing up, but only at a low count. Around Texas, look how hot it is back to the west. 92 in San Angelo, 91 degrees out there in the Midland area at the present time. Up and down I-35, mainly 80s. Same thing along the coast right now. There's a front that's moved into the Texas Panhandle, part of it a developing storm system here in the middle of the Rocky Mountains that is going to actually get its act together as it moves down here into Texas tomorrow. So what will that mean for us? Well, we're not certain, actually, to tell you the truth, because the storm is going to be taking shape right over the state. Our computer model believes that early afternoon, and I think maybe even some showers in the Hill Country are possible in the morning, but early afternoon we begin to see some activity starting to organize, mainly along the I-35 counties, which would include the metro area. But then it really doesn't get its act together until the fronts move southeast of Austin during the afternoon hours tomorrow. Then those could be some strong thunderstorms between here and Houston, maybe even in Fayette County. And then the front blows through here. It's gone. The winds increase. It's a little breezy on Saturday, but otherwise it'll leave behind a beautiful weekend. Here are your lows tonight, low and mid 60s, and your high temperatures tomorrow, mainly in the 70s tomorrow as that front moves in about midday. 64 tonight in Austin with low clouds coming in late. We'll start cloudy in the morning, maybe a little shower activity, especially in the Hill Country. And we'll put in a thunderstorm chance tomorrow, but it's not a sure thing. 40% is the probability we're giving for rain or some thunderstorms. That's a little bit higher in counties east of Austin. And then the weekend, again, Saturday breezy. But other than that, cool mornings and pleasantly warm afternoons, and then we look pretty dry most of next week.